Bitte. What was that, Gustav? Oh, what was that? Hello, Tressmania here. I'm a dog sitter for my sister's dog, sister's family dog. This is Buster the dog, and Buster here is the sweetest dog in the world. He loves his Uncle Tressy. Don't you? Kita tipis tiri. Don't worry, Buster. He's a mixed breed of 5 different breeds, I think. But it's the greatest. Just cozy dog, you know, family dog. It's very laid back. One part is Bichon Frisé, and that means he doesn't, there's no dog hair anywhere, which is very good. Doesn't shed any fur, so we have to be cut with a barber machine. Maybe that will be our video in the future. He's so patient. My sister used to cut him with regular scissors, and it took several hours. And he stood there on the table. After a while he just fell asleep. Now she uses a barber machine, and that's okay, because I let fast dish. Well, I will turn this on if he does something funny or weird, but I think it's late at night now. It's like almost 10 p.m. now. He's just tired now, I think. And my sister, his family comes home in like 2 hours or something, so I just let him sleep until then. Okay, later then. Bye bye then. Buster the dog. What are you looking for, Buster? Looking for food? Buster! Buster, come here. Nice doggy. Buster. Ligg. Ligg. Sit. Buster, sit. 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 Buster. Sit. Buster, sit. 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 Right here, Link. Ligg. He doesn't like it because I don't have any treats for him. You poor guy. Yeah. You have received all your treats for today, I was told. The goodies? The goodies? Is something good in there? There's nothing in there. I don't have any treats. There's nothing. I'm sorry, Bestie. Vill du mat? Är du sulten? Vill du ha lite mat? Some food. Yum yum. Goodies. And it's just regular food. Give them some handful. Sit. Ligg. Ligg. Rull runt. It's just regular food for him. But when he thinks it's special when I give it to him in the hand. He like this too. Was that good? Okay, you be still, dog. Like that. Ligg. I just told him to lay down. Flinkbisk. Ja, flinkbisk. Nej. Vad ligger där? Jag ligger sen, ja. Ja, flink. Ja. It's a very good dog. Buster the dog, ladies and gentlemen. Very good dog. Yes. It's a little bit funny looking because his one eye is a little bit, what you call it? Yeah. Visst är det riktigt det? Där uppe? Vi ser vad det tog. It's just a camera. It's just a tripod. Bestie. It's just a tripod. Bestie. Bestie. There's another door. There's another door. Hindi. Ay na, hindi. See? Can you find it? It's not dangerous. Look. Vart du skrämt, ja. We're afraid of the tripod? Yeah, I've never seen this before, that's why. Yeah. Oh. Buster quitting. It's such a nice dog. Nicest dog in the world. Yes. The best dog in the world. Okay. We will figure something out. He do a lot of funny things, but you have to capture it when it happens. That's the difficult part. You can't force it. Can't force him to do something funny. Look at it. Say bye bye. Bye bye. I'll see you later. My name is Buster the dog. Hello. Okay. Come. Okay. That's not funny. Come. Yeah. It's it. It is up. Up. It is up. Up. What am I doing? Sit. 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 Breathe. Right. Sit. Come on. Sit. Sit. Turn. Get up. Get up. Get up. Hey. Ikita. 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 Hey, Ikita. Abasiku. Abasiku. Flink, pisk. Ja, ik heel flink. Okay. It's hard to do alone. One has to be the cameraman. Well, alright. Say bye bye then. Si hadi da. Ya hadi da si. Hadi. Si. Hadi. Si hadi da. Hadi. Si hadi till. Say bye bye to your fans, Buster. Hey. Lick. Lick. Okay, sit. Ligg. Sit. Sit. Okay, do it. Do it. Okay. It's regular. Not even. It's not even treats. It's regular food. Oh, I'm so a horrible person. Okay. Come on. Sit. Come, sit. Ah, it's a horrible thing to do alone. Sign language, bitch. It's not a bitch. He's a male dog. But okay. Bye bye, Buster the dog. Let's see if you make you talk. Maybe you can talk. Right. Sit. Bye bye, friends. I'll see you later in another video. Oh, pretty good. I'm not going to tell Buster that his mother and father is coming. Buster, vil du hjem til mor? Skal du hjem til far? Kommer en far? Kommer en far? Hvor er far dine? Skal du hjem? Skal du hjem? Vil du ikke være hos meg mer? I'm telling you, don't you want to be here anymore? Kommer far? Kommer mor? Se, kommer far? Kommer far? Yeah. Don't come. Okay, I'm gonna go home. Skal vi gå hjem? Skal vi gå hjem? Vil du gå hjem? Want to go home? Okay.